Okay, recording is started. Now let's go ahead. Yes, Karan, please show me. Divija, you had some question meanwhile?
Sir, even I made changes.
Okay. So today class would be just to review and make those better, right?
Yeah.
You guys practice, that means.
I did some changes even before the class.
Okay. All right. So what I recollect, the story was there is a girl and a cat. They want to go to space, right? And how long is this now? Is it 3 minutes or it is less than 3 minutes?
Sir, in Sprite,
It's a
there are
1.5 minute.
1.5 minutes. Okay. Do one thing, Karan. Uh, let's go. All right. So when this rocket is there, right? Can you also, so when rocket is there, you have to show rocket going up, correct? Can you go back to your rocket code? Let's go back to your rocket code. So rocket you have to show is going up. That means it has to move 5, correct? 5 to 10,
Yes.
10 on the Y direction. So you can have a repeat block and then do next costume.
Where?
You with me?
Where what?
Show me. So you are showing rocket after 23 seconds, correct?
Hmm.
So after 23 seconds,
I'll make this 24
okay,
because
after 24 seconds, put a repeat block. Okay, you have to show the rocket. That's okay. Yeah, you have to show the rocket first. Okay, and then you have to, in the repeat block, you will move Y by 10, and then you will do next costume also.
change Y or
Change
set
Y,
Y.
change Y, change Y by 10. No, within that repeat block of 10.
Here?
So yes, so only these things will happen. Okay. So we are just changing the costume and we are moving 10 steps 10 times. Okay, so only these things will happen. Can you have that piece of code in a different block as well, just to see how it looks like?
What?
You will have a repeat block.
Yes.
In that repeat block, you will only have two
Hmm.
blocks, changing the costume and change Y by 10. And just see how it looks like. Just click on
Will
that.
attach?
Don't attach it first, see how it looks like. Just click on repeat 10. Don't play
Close.
it. Let's go back to your rocket code. You have to wait for 24 seconds. Can you show your rocket? Click on the show icon. Now your rocket has gone up only. Okay, so let's bring it down. Okay. All right. So instead of switch costume that you have, right, you will say next costume.
But next costume it will be going on.
So let's try it, right? So
Switch costume.
don't do switch costume. Do next costume.
Next costume. See,
Bring your
then
rocket
this,
down. Yeah, bring
then
your
that
rocket
flame
down.
goes.
So that's okay, right? We have to show flame only going, right? Correct. So make repeat as 20 now, because in one go it is not going outside, right? Repeat 20. Okay. Now click on repeat. No, no, wait. We first have to test our blocks of code. Very nice. Now it looks much better. Okay. So make repeat as 20 and then, okay. Now let's show me from the very start. Hi, AB, how are you? I am not fine. Actually, I want to go to space and explore. No problem, man. I will help you to go to the space. I have a rocket.
That rocket will come.
A or an? I have a rocket. Very nice. Okay.
Then
So
this
just,
that thing goes.
uh, which goes? The
That
both
flame.
of them, yeah, no, flame, then you need to change it, right? So as soon as you are changing the backdrop, when you change the backdrop, you have to change the X and Y position of the rocket. You with me?
Hmm.
You are doing switch backdrop, right?
Yes.
Okay. After switch backdrop, you have to again bring your rocket down as such. So you have to say set Y. So there would be something called as scroll down. Yeah. Let's try. After you switch your background. Yeah. Okay. This is much better. Okay. All right. So let's try it. Divija, you have done more or less same thing or something else?
Sir, I was too confused.
Okay, well, I'll come to you then. So what we did last time, so there was no set rules as such. Okay, so we can build whatever we want to do. Very nice. A, B, C, there. Very good.
More I have not done.
Okay, so over here they are going. I'm just giving an idea. Okay, so what is that they're going to do on this planet?
They will find aliens and then talk with them and go back to Earth.
Okay, so if you can code that and let me go back to Divija now. Okay.
Sir, after Divija, can I share?
Yes, after Divija, let me see what she has done. Okay, Divija, waiting for you.
Yeah, sir.
So what you guys are doing is commonly known as 10 blocks challenge. Okay. So if someone in future asks you, have you done any 10 blocks challenge? You can then say, yes, we have done 10 block challenge and this is what we built. Oh, it's a pool party. Very good. From where did you get this, what do you call, mermaid? You made that mermaid or what?
Sir, I got it. It's simply a project, but it was not like that, like with with specific blocks.
Okay. No, but if you can you show me like how you did that mermaid? If you select the sprite mermaid,
Sir, mermaid is also in sprites.
it's there. Okay, I was
Yeah.
not aware. Okay,
It's
okay, it
in
is there.
fantasy.
There, yeah.
Okay, all right, Devi. But she changed color and all those. Okay, okay. Okay, Devija. So, what is that you're planning to do?
Sir, I've done some things.
Uh-huh. So we have got a fairy also, and your favorite red color T-shirt girl also standing there, huh? That is, she's your favorite, correct? Oh, how she's sitting?
So that's one of the costumes.
Okay, yeah. Very nice. What a pool party. Okay, everybody can. Okay, let's call our friends. Let's go. They'll be reaching in some time. Okay. So in the pool party, do you have music also?
Yeah.
Oh, music. Okay, very nice.
I forgot to share the screen. So can you see it once again?
Yes. But I
Sorry.
was seeing it like something else you did.
Yes, that sound was also there.
Okay. Okay, one thing, Devija, that you are gliding the girl. Okay. All right. Instead of gliding, uh, you have to create costume for her, right? To make sure she's walking. Does she has a walking costume or not?
No, no, sir.
And then you created this phone symbol or what?
Yes, sir. I created it.
Okay, very good. Let's go. They'll be reaching in some time. Okay, very good. Excellent.
Sir, this
Okay.
much only.
Okay. Then can we make this pool party as a birthday party, or you will cut the cake or something like that? How much long it is right now?
Sir, it is actually almost 3 minutes.
Or you have touched 3 minutes?
No, it's around 30 seconds.
No, no, it's
How? Play.
So who is keeping the stopwatch? And for this, you will also have a ringtone or what when they're calling people?
no, I am not having that.
But you have to search for that ringtone.
Okay, I'll search.
Yeah, let's search. Okay. Let's do one thing. What I am thinking, Divija, over here.
It's 1
Okay.
minute 15 seconds.
1:15. Okay. Let's show that it starts.
So, but we are having more, but we don't have sound for that. So that was left. I was doing that only. We have it more, but they are dancing still, and then we'll have like, okay, bye everyone. Let's meet after the like.
Yeah. So I'm coming to it. Okay. So we have to extend the story. Okay. Can you show that after some time it starts to rain, and then they say, okay, let's all go indoor to cut the cake. So you also have a backdrop which is birthday party kind of, correct?
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so let's try to extend the story, but it's very good. Okay, so let me now go to,
Practice.
correct, yeah. Let me now go to Sagarika.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Karan, I will come back to you, okay? You have done any changes or not? Alien is
1
talking.
second, sir.
Sure. And the Sagarika was baking cake, correct?
Yeah.
Equal arrangement.
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, I put full screen.
Sam, tomorrow is your birthday. Divya, just look, when this lady is talking, her mouth is also changing, okay?
Yeah, but I don't have that for my.
Yeah, but just have a look at it. She has created those costumes.
Okay.
Okay, so after this, let her show you how she has done that. Okay.
Yeah.
So I have to hide all the utensils.
Yes. Okay. So now, how is your story going to get extended, Sagarika? After.
It's going to end at the
One
birthday party.
Okay, so for you and Devija, it's the same birthday party, but yours is birthday
Not
party.
a birthday party. It's kind of pool party or fantasy party.
But if it is going to rain outside in the pool, so people go inside. So if they go inside, can they
Yeah.
have a dance party inside?
But we had to dance outside, so it's fine if we cut the cake.
Okay. All right. Okay. Just make sure it is 3 minutes. Okay, that's one of the requirements. So you still have to keep on extending the story. Or once people get wet, they go inside and they again have some conversation. Oh, it was so fun. Did you see mermaid dancing? Okay.
I don't know what to read here.
Sir,
Yes.
I don't know which backdrop to choose for the birthday party because I want it to be like a room, like a hall.
All then there was something for school was there, right? Let's go back.
Okay.
Yeah.
Indoors.
So I have one suggestion. We have one thing. We have one sound known as birthday. You can also put that.
Okay. Thank you,
Okay.
Divija. I think this room 2 is good or not? Room number 2.
2.
Let's put it over there. There
Or
is a
we can
table.
create our own.
Creating will not look that great, right? If I say room 2, there is a table. On the table, you can put your cake. Just select that and see, and then people can gather around that table. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Sir, any suggestions?
Uh, so for this one, you have to place a cake, right?
Yeah.
You have to place a cake, and there should be 4 or 5 sprites standing in a circle, and then wishing the birthday girl Sam.
Okay. So then we have to choose the sprite. After
Correct.
I finish, you can find more
Sure.
sprite as well.
I have got. Then 4 seconds.
Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go to people. So this is where I got Sam and the mother. And there are many other
What I am
sprites.
thinking, okay, now let's do one thing. Let's in your birthday, right? Let's have a dance party. So we have this lady Cassie dance, right? So we can so in your birthday we can also have, correct? So we can play music, correct?
There are many dancers like
Many dancers are there.
dancers. So
In
we can
dance.
do one by one. One dancer come and then one by one everybody dance and then we clap.
Correct. Yes.
Sir, but my entire animation, they will
Uh-huh.
have people like this, not the real life type animation.
No, but we can add as many sprite as we want, right? There is no restriction
Yeah.
on adding sprite. It's a birthday party, so you will have music being played.
Yeah. So we can take her, he doesn't dance. Him, um,
Yeah.
her,
How many people will dance now? No? So you'll play music for 5 minutes.
yeah. Not 5 minutes. That's gonna be a very long animation.
Okay.
So I'll choose her.
Sure. So let me go to Karan now. Karan, and anything done?
Okay.
Okay. Karan, let's improve this cat walking. Okay. So what we need to do
I
when cat is
understand.
coming, let's change the costume of cat. So we have to show her walking. Did you guys ever use the surprise sprite or not?
Which sprite?
So if you click on the sprite on the right, when the so there is always the first, sorry, go back. If you just go back, if you just hover on it, let's hover on it, the sprite one.
What?
Okay, let your code complete first. This 30 seconds that you need to adjust.
Oh, I didn't do show. Show.
Also, when your rocket is flying, right? When it is in space, when your rocket is flying,
Yeah.
show one more sprite over there where the Earth is rotating, so it looks like you are traveling the space. So put that, yeah, put it when your rocket is flying as such. Okay. So when backdrop switches to, yeah, nebula, then repeat put a repeat block, repeat 10, and within this 10, go to motion and make a turn 15 degree in that. It will just show the earth rotating. First you have to put a green, and at first it would be hidden. Okay.
Where is
No, not this is wrong. You have to put it separately. When the program starts, no, leave it out of it. It has to be separate at all. So put a green flag on top of height. And then put a show before repeat 10. Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, I'll just come.
Okay. Very good. Very nice. So now, sorry, when this is done, did not move. Okay, it moves so fast. After turn 15, right, give a time of probably 0.1 second or something, okay, for that earth, because it moved very fast.
You can show them hiding. Like one is hiding between wait, let me show. One is hiding over here, then another is
where?
hiding over here, like that.
According to Wikipedia, the cloud jumper is a very solid basis for the Indian subcontinent and a type of
Okay. Okay, Karan, I'll come to you again, okay? Right. Okay, Divija, please share.
So I'm facing one problem. After we dance, we have the clapping sound over here. Wait.
Okay.
We have the clapping sound over here.
Uh-huh.
After that, I have the wait of 2 seconds, and then over here Ruby says, now let's dance together. This is waste. Now let's dance together for 2 seconds. She says this, and then after we have here, I said that wait 2 seconds, and then in the wait 2 seconds, Ruby will say let's dance together, and then we have the sound of dance around until done, and then 0 point wait, and then play again next sound, but I am not able to hear that sound. Okay, let me share the sound, and now yes, see, I'm just starting with this. Oh, goodbye to you. Now it's not playing.
So when you say after clapping, the play sound is not working. After clapping sound.
The clapping is working.
After clapping, there is no sound which is coming.
Yeah.
Do one thing. Done is there. Let's try to debug. Can you just click just remove that play sound thing, dance around outside,
Okay.
Just remove it outside.
Yeah.
And just click on that. No, sorry. Bring it back.
Which one?
The one which we removed it. Let's bring it back.
Okay.
I just want to click on it individually.
This.
Yeah.
Don't know where. Okay, I got it. It's not playing because in sounds I don't have that. But I had that when I started.
Okay.
And then I was having dance till.
Then let's try to add it back and see.
Yeah. See, now I have it, but I don't need the ocean wave, so I'm deleting it.
Okay.
What is ocean wave?
That's a sound, kind of sound.
But what kind of sound?
Like we have the waves of ocean. No, wait, let me show you. Ocean.
You're going in a boat or something, huh?
Like that only. Coronavirus means. Then we need for dance. So yeah, this one. Yes, done. I want just these fours only. Clapping and then sing music.
Okay. So yours is a musical party.
Yeah,
Good.
but let me see.
Where is your sister? I cannot hear her.
Yes, sir. Wait.
She's not around?
No, but she's busy on the phone.
Okay. Right.
Kyra?
No, she is busy. Okay. Hello. So you are not helping her today to select the sound? She's able to hear me?
Yeah, she's able to.
Okay, I think she is busy. Next time we'll talk to her. Okay. Oh, now she's back.
Yeah. Till the time she was not getting the attention, no?
Okay, that's right. But she comes up with very good suggestions, like which color to use, which sound to use. She's very
Yeah,
good in that.
yeah.
So how is your story going to extend? It is going to end over here, or what else you're going to do, Devija?
No, which you said, I think it's nice, so I'll add it.
Okay, let's add it. So we
Yeah,
have to
but,
complete this project today itself, right?
okay, sir.
So let me now go back to Sagarika.
Okay, so may I see once in front of you that it's going on fine or not?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Okay, very nice. Good.
Thank you.
Thank you. So we have 20 more minutes to complete the project, okay? So let's start working towards it.
Okay.
Sorry, सिर्फ 20 minutes है ना?
Okay, sir. I haven't yet finished. I need to select all the people more.
Okay.
मैडम मत
Both mother and daughter are wearing the same shoes.
Yeah. Okay. Then they go to fridge.
Yeah, they take.
Very good. Then they go to a table. Okay, very nice.
Oh, I
Okay.
forgot to hide the
No
board.
problem. Let it complete. Party time. Okay.
Oh, wait. Board and hide.
So idea is that in your school now, okay, in case your computer teacher says you have to create a project or some presentation, you can make use of animation like this also and show it to her.
Okay.
Okay. For example, which was the last day that you celebrated in school? Environment Day you celebrated or Earth Day? Which day did you celebrate it?
Christmas.
Christmas Day you celebrate. Okay, so next time the Christmas is still in December, right? 6 months to
Yeah.
go. Any so when I say day, it's like you may have to create some posters, or you may have to create a PowerPoint
So,
slide.
the last day, which is close to now, today is our school's founding day.
School founding day. Okay, all right. Then what you can do, but that's over now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Otherwise, we could have created something over here, like because there's a school sprite, correct? A school background is there. Then you could have given a tour of the school. This is my school. I study in this school, right?
Yeah.
That way, correct. Right. So now it's time for you to do for the party, correct?
Yeah. So I need to select a backdrop. Let's see outdoors.
Okay, you want to have party outside on the beach?
Sagarika,
Yeah,
from where did you took that sprites?
the sprite.
Yeah, and from where did you make that like she's speaking?
For her,
My looks.
I made another costume.
Did you make these on your own?
No, the first one, so the mother and the daughter are the same sprite, but I took it twice.
I'm not
So,
able to understand. Sir,
see,
Yeah, she's going to show you what she has done as such.
see, when you go to sprite,
yeah.
go to people, you find this. So it has many characters. So in this itself, the daughter and the mother are there. So I click this twice to get two of these grandmothers. So then after that, delete and choose which person you want from any costume. And then what I did for her is I dragged her mouth, her lips, and just took it this side. So just so it was like this at first. So then what he did is he took reshape and I think he dragged it this way, and then it became this.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Sagarika.
So I think beach is nice.
Okay, so you will have a on the beach party.
Yeah. Now there are two beaches. So which one? I think this one looks
Yeah,
nice.
Rio. So you are in Brazil now. So in Brazil, you will play. They play samba music.
Okay, then I'll do this. But doesn't everyone have to wear like beach clothes?
But then we need to find out, right?
Yeah. In I think in sprites you have clothes also.
I did not see that. Okay, fashion. Okay, let's see that. Oh,
So
you have it. Okay, but then how you're going to place it?
I have no
Uh,
clue.
so you have to place on top of other, and then you have to do it, right? So once one sprite you will have, and then top of it you'll place another sprite.
We can take birthday hats.
I have an idea.
Uh-huh.
You can choose anyone. First, please choose anyone.
Okay. Hat.
I think it will work. Yeah. Now, please go to costumes.
Okay.
And in the costumes, we can, I don't know how Sir can tell it, but we have an idea. We can group the person and the hat.
So now select the sprite on the left hand side. On the left hand side, do you have a sprite option at the bottom, left bottom? No, not the right hand side, left hand side.
Yeah.
So let's select something.
Okay.
And select a girl, whichever you want, and then group it.
I'll select the birthday girl itself.
Uh-huh.
Sir, I think you can ask Karan because Karan did it.
Okay.
In the hall one, he made the school uniforms of the girl and the boy. I remember it.
Okay. Now let Karan speak up.
Yeah, she's here.
Yes.
She's big.
We
But
can,
then you have to select it and then reduce the size, right? Let's select the entire thing. And first zoom out as such. So there is a zoom button, right?
Yeah.
Let's zoom out. Okay,
Yeah.
then
So now how do I add the hat?
yeah, that was the question which I was having in my mind.
or what we can do, like we can place hat on top of it itself, right? We can have one and
Yeah.
two sprite together, correct?
Yeah.
You can copy that hat. Go to that hat. Go to hat.
Okay.
Select.
There's copy button here.
Copy.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
Paste.
and then place it there and group it. We have a button group.
Done.
Yeah.
Easy.
I think now it'll work.
Yeah.
Fine. Successfully done.
Yeah.
Congratulations, everyone.
So wait, I can now delete all of this.
But we have just one, no? So you can place different hats on different people. It catch more attention and it look more attractive.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Wait.
we have 10 more minutes to go. Both of you are doing it, right?
Yeah.
Karan, can you share your screen by the time Sagarika is doing?
So when I'm making the rain, it's hiding the people.
Hiding the people.
People.
This is what? This is rain or what?
No,
No, this is Karan's speaker. Okay, I thought this is your screen, yeah. Okay. So you want to share your screen,
Can
Divija?
you
Like when
see?
you... Yes, I can see. Karan, go ahead, please.
I didn't put that earth.
Okay. The what? So you don't like that? Okay, not a problem. Go ahead. Oh, the cat is walking. AB is behind. You have to So do one thing, Karan. We will have a final demo in next 5 minutes or so. Okay.
Okay.
So let's try to tidy the parts which are not there. Okay. Do not add anything new. Let's try to tidy it. Okay. So I'll come back to you. Okay. Hello, Divija.
Yeah, sir.
Happy zero.
Or do you guys want 5 minutes as such just to tidy up whatever you guys have done so that we can have a
Yes.
final demo? Okay. So
Oh, so
yes,
so
Divija.
I know how to make the several drops of rain. We have one code. I think in control. Yes. When I start as a clone, create clone of myself.
Uh-huh.
Clone mean like
We can simply also make a raindrop.
yeah, I know that we can make a
But
raindrop.
this I have not
Then
taught you, right?
duplicate
Do you
it.
want to learn this? This I can teach you on Monday, or do you know this?
Sir,
What?
I know this.
Okay, if you
What
know
word?
it,
Clone means like
Ah, that I know. Cheesy.
okay. So if you guys, if you want to use Divija, you can use it. But my
yeah.
idea was to tell you on Monday. So Monday we will make use of this particular block.
I know it because when I did that one, na rocket one, so we
Correct.
were having different aliens. So I didn't choose like duplicate one that many aliens like that. And
Okay.
in that brick one also, I use this one. When I start, I create clone of myself.
Okay. Very good. So what is the specific question now that you have? We have only nine minutes left. Okay. So
So
whatever you have built, it is complete now or not?
till that I have built, but I'm not able to like I'm not able to build very small range. It's hiding. For example, over here, no, we don't the rain don't hide us, no.
Okay,
It,
you're saying that rain has to be transparent kind of thing.
yeah,
Okay. But then, because rain, what I was thinking will be, has like, if you have to show in the animation, okay, it
yeah,
has to be continuously white lines kind of thing, which are coming down. Okay, just vertically white lines as such continuously, like this line, then this line, this line, this line. So like this, the rain is coming down and people are screaming, right? Oh, rain is coming, rain is coming. Do you get me? So these
so
are
we
like
can
water
do it.
droplets are coming. Uh-huh.
So wait, wait, just 1 minute.
Or you can have a backdrop. Yeah, go ahead.
Wait, just 1 minute.
Uh, So after 2 minutes, we will start our demos, okay?
Okay.
We'll first start with demo of Karan.
No. Start with someone else. I have to do.
Okay,
With Sagarika.
Sagarika will start.
Why did you open Rocket one?
I just wanted to show something.
Okay,
I have that on the new tab, another tab. So I like there we have the robot one. So I use create clone of myself. So
okay,
if I want like we have the wait of 2 seconds after every clone. So if we want them continuously in a line, so we'll not put the wait.
correct. You probably won't put the weight, and you can do a glide also, okay? So that it is showing coming down very smoothly as such.
Okay,
You with
okay.
me? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, Sagarika will start with you now. Okay, so
Sir, I'm not yet done.
that's okay, right? So you can also
Little more.
practice later on. Like everyone can practice, right? Later on also.
Okay.
Only. that which I've done.
No
Like
problem. So again, so then let's start with you, Devija. Okay. Let's.
no, I just want to do. I just want to end it. I
Okay,
remove.
then let's do one thing. Then let's do one thing. On Monday when we meet, let's spend first 5-10 minutes in reviewing what you guys have done. Okay.
Okay.
Is it okay, Karan?
Okay. You can
Okay.
see my. If you want, you can see my.
But then you will add something, correct? But add something to it. Okay. So let's make sure it is 3 minutes long.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Sagarika, are you okay with that? On Monday we were going to meet.
Wait, 5 seconds.
So on Monday we will learn about 2 new blocks also about the cloning thing. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Then have a very good weekend. Anything else for me?
Yeah, sir. You can see this.
Yes, I am seeing it. The Can you see Angad behind me or not? Okay, very nice. Everyone is dancing. Dancing time. Let's dance together. But this music is going too much into, right? We have to reduce it, or we have to change the backdrop. Okay.
Okay, so in bit we'll do like that, na? Where the music will play, it will look like more real. So when the music will play, the rain will start. So they will say stop the music, and then I'll stop the music, and then after that they'll say let's go inside and cut the cake.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah. All right. Sagarika, you are also good.
Sir, I just have to hide some of the sprites.
Okay, but on Monday, then we just make sure it is 3 minutes long. Okay.
Okay.
Karan will also make sure it is 3 minutes long. Okay. Then have a very good weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday. On Monday, we will learn 2 new blocks. Only new block is for you, Sagarika. Devija knows it and Karan also knows it. Okay. So me and you are going to learn 2 new blocks. Okay. Clone blocks.
Okay.
Easy. It's just like we have the duplicate of that.
Correct. It is easy for you because you are brilliant, right? You are very intelligent. Okay.
It's just the duplicate, and like what we say, like I had that na robot. We had
Uh-huh.
that. It's going continuously coming down.
Okay.
Like they were the duplicate of that.
Okay. All right. Then bye everyone. Have a good
Bye,
weekend.
sir.
Thank you.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye, Devija.